We have received this parcel from the head office, Influencer Book of World Records. It is in Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. This has been sent to Dr. Ravi Prasad Sajjan, CEO of Master Mindful Secrets Private Limited. It is in Bangalore, India. We have received this parcel in the name of Samruddhi R. Samruddhi R has won Champion of Champion place in International Abacus Olympiad. Let's check what is inside this parcel. Shall we open this, Samruddhi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let's see what is inside this. Wow, amazing. This is very nice. By the way, this certificate has been sent from Influencer Book of World Records. This has been sent to Samruddhi. This is Samruddhi's photograph. And this is my photograph. I am Dr. Ravi Prasad Sajjan, International Abacus Trainer. This is very nice certificate. Let's keep it here. Let's check what is else inside this. Wow, this is a nice certificate that they have sent from Brain School. This is International Abacus Olympiad. This is certificate. This is Samruddhi's photograph. This is my photograph. Here Samruddhi's name is there. She has won Champion of Champion place in International Abacus Olympiad. Let's see what else is there. Wow, they have sent very nice trophy. Okay, hold it here. Yeah, this is from Brain School. You can see here Dr. Ravi Prasad Sajjan, International Abacus Trainer logo is there. Here also you can see this is a nice trophy. Let's keep it here. Let's see, let's check what else is there. Wow, this is a nice medal. They are sent from Influencer Book of World Records. Hold this. Okay, very nice. You can see my photograph is there and my and Influencer Book of World Records logo is there. By the way, this has been sent from Influencer Book of World Records certificate. This has been sent from Brain School, the one who has organized this International Abacus Olympiad. And this is a medal and this is trophy. And I would like to congratulate Samruddhi. Samruddhi, congratulations for winning Champion of Champion place.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. That's it. By the way, we have received this parcel from the head office, Influencer Book of World Records. It is in Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. And it has been sent to Dr. Ravi Prasad Sajjan, CEO of Master Mindful Secrets Private Limited, which is there in Bangalore, India. By the way, we have received this parcel in the name of Skanda. Skanda has won runner-up place in International Abacus Olympiad. Let's open this parcel. Let's check what is inside this. Skanda, shall we open this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's check what is inside this. Okay, let's check what is inside this. Wow, they have sent a very nice certificate. This is a nice certificate that they have sent. This certificate has been sent from Influencer Book of World Records. You can see here Skanda's photograph is there and my photograph. I am Dr. Ravi Prasad Sajjan, International Abacus Olympiad Trainer. Very nice certificate. Let's keep it here. Let's check what else is there inside this. Wow, this has been sent from Brain School, the one who has organized this International Abacus Olympiad. This is a certificate. You can see here Skanda Kumar name is there and his photograph is there, Skanda's, and he has won runner-up place in International Abacus Olympiad. You can also see my photograph. I'm Dr. Ravi Prasad Sajjan. Let's keep it here. Let's check what else is there. Wow, this is a nice trophy that they have sent. Amazing. This is the trophy. This is sent from Brain School. You can also see my photograph here, Dr. Ravi Prasad Sajjan. And another sticker here, Dr. Ravi Prasad Sajjan, International Abacus Olympiad Trainer. Very nice. Cut madu. Wow, this is a nice medal that they have sent. Very nice. You can see here logo, Influencer Book of World Records logo is there. Wow, there is another one at the other side. You can also see here runner-up first place has been mentioned here. Very nice medal. Let's keep it here. Altogether, Skanda has received one certificate from Influencer Book of World Records, another certificate from Bryan School, and this is the medal, and this is trophy. I would like to congratulate Skanda. Congratulations, Skanda, for winning runner-up place in International Abacus Olympiad. That's it. By the way, we have received this parcel from the head office, Influencer Book of World Records. It is in Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. And this is being sent to Dr. Ravi Prasad Sajanyam and the CEO of Mastermind Seniors Private Limited, Bangalore, India. This parcel has been sent to Adya. She has won champion place in Influencer Book of World Records in the competition that was held International Abacus Olympiad. So let's open this parcel right now. Shall we open this? Okay. Let's check what is inside this parcel. Wow, very nice. Amazing. This is certificate that they are sent from Influencer Book of World Records. This is Adya's photograph and this is my photograph and Dr. Ravi Prasad Sajanyam. This is the certificate that they are sent. Next. Wow, amazing. There is another certificate from Bryan School. This is International Abacus Olympiad, Adya's photograph and Adya's name, and you can see here she has won champion place in International Abacus Olympiad. This is another certificate that she has received. Let's check what else is there. Amazing. There is a trophy which has been sent to her. This is the trophy. You can see here Dr. Ravi Prasad Sajanyam International Abacus trainer. Photograph. This is the trophy. Let's check what else is there. Amazing. They have also sent a medal for Adya. This is the medal. This is the medal that she has won for champion place.